Contemporary masterpiece in Westmount, 6-bed, 5-bath, 3 powder rooms, breathtaking panoramic views. Welcome to 3223 Avenue de Trafalgar, Westmount, where contemporary luxury living meets the charm of this prestigious neighborhood. This remarkable 26-room residence, renovated to perfection, boasts 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and 3 powder rooms, providing an abundance of space for family living and entertaining guests. Built in 1961, this detached 2 or more story home exudes timeless elegance and offers the convenience of an elevator, ensuring easy access to all levels. The lot spans an impressive 9,633 square feet, providing ample room for outdoor activities and the possibility of adding a pool to enhance your outdoor oasis. As you step inside, you'll immediately be captivated by the sweeping panoramic views that stretch as far as the eye can see, reminiscent of the rolling hills of Los Angeles. These views can be enjoyed from almost every vantage point within this home, creating an ambience of serenity and sophistication. Warm up on cozy evenings by the wood fireplaces, adding to the inviting atmosphere of this exquisite residence. With parking for 2 in the driveway and a spacious 3-car garage, accommodating your vehicles and guests is a breeze. This property is ideal for those who appreciate the fusion of modern luxury and breathtaking views. Don't miss the opportunity to make 3223 Avenue de Trafalgar your own. Contact us today to schedule a private viewing and immerse yourself in the allure of contemporary living with unparalleled vistas.